The Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister vacuum is a versatile and lightweight cleaning solution designed to handle a variety of surfaces throughout the home. This corded electric vacuum weighs just over 8 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to maneuver under furniture, across hard floors, and up flights of stairs. It features an innovative multi-surface brush roll and an integrated airflow control on the handle that allows users to switch between carpet, upholstery, and hard floor settings with ease. Equipped with a large 2.5L dust container, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister vacuum offers plenty of capacity for whole home cleaning, without the need for frequent emptying. Its bagless design and washable filters help eliminate maintenance costs, as users can simply rinse the components to keep the machine running efficiently. The unit also includes a telescoping metal wand and swivel steering to provide extended reach and precise control in tight spaces or high-up corners. For added convenience, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister vacuum features an automatic cord rewind function that stores the power cable at the touch of a button. The machine also integrates a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush directly into the hose handle, ensuring that accessories are always within reach for detailing furniture or baseboards. Finished in a modern blue color, this NEN110A model provides a powerful yet compact cleaning option for apartments and houses alike. Pros: powerful suction, lightweight and easy to handle, retractable power cord, washable filters. Bagless and easy to empty, great for hard floors, compact for easy storage, quiet operation. Affordable price point, excellent at picking up litter, effective on low-pile rugs, useful. Included attachments, highly maneuverable 3-wheel design, no roller brush to clean, easy to assemble. Cons: manual directions are not clear, filter must be inserted correctly, lacks a rotating beater brush, no deep carpet cleaning, power cord is too short, limited selection of attachments, hair clogs the vacuum head, not ideal for large homes, poor for heavy pet shedding features. Bagless canister design 2.5L dust cup capacity, lightweight construction for carpets and floors. NEN110A model number, blue color finish, integrated airflow control, crevice tool included, dusting brush included. The Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister vacuum is a versatile and lightweight cleaning solution designed to handle a variety of surfaces throughout the home. This corded electric vacuum weighs just over 8 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to maneuver under furniture, across hard floors, and up flights of stairs. It features an innovative multi-surface brush roll and an integrated airflow control on the handle that allows users to switch between carpet, upholstery, and hard floor settings with ease. The Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister vacuum NEN110A is a budget-friendly and lightweight option, praised for its powerful suction, easy maneuverability, and effective performance on hard floors and low-pile rugs. Users appreciate convenient features like the retractable power cord, washable filters, and compact design that simplifies storage and maintenance. However, the vacuum has notable drawbacks, including its lack of a motorized beater brush, which makes it unsuitable for deep carpet cleaning or heavy pet hair, and a power cord that many find too short for larger spaces. While it offers great value and quiet operation, its limitations with hair clogs and unclear manual instructions mean it is best suited for smaller homes with minimal carpeting.